Why is video marketing so important in today's digital world?
Video marketing has become an essential tool in today's digital landscape. It captures quick attention with engaging and visually dynamic content, making it easier to connect with your audience. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube dominating social media. Videos have become the most consumed form of content, whether for storytelling, education, or even promotion. Video marketing drives engagement, builds trust, and helps brands stand out in a crowded digital market. Absolutely, and also statistics shows that 91% of businesses use video as a marketing tool because it drives more engagement and conversion as compared to text or images.
How does video marketing impact consumer trust?
Good question. Video marketing plays a crucial role in building consumer trust by fostering authenticity and connections. By showcasing behind-the-scenes glimpses or client testimonials in a relatable video format, brands humanize their identity and create emotional connection with their audience. It also adds a human element that static content often misses, making it easier for potential customers to trust the people and value behind the brand. This transparency not only establishes credibility but also encourages customer loyalty as viewers feel more confident in their decision making. Absolutely, and in fact, research from HubSpot shows that over 54% of consumers want more video content from their favorite brands. This preference comes from the video's ability to build trust, transparency, and connection, making it a key tool for strengthening customer relationship.
What types of videos work best for businesses?
So the best type of video for businesses depending on their target audience and goals. Of course, short form content such as Instagram, Reels, or TikTok is ideal for grabbing attention quickly and driving engagements. On the other hand, longer form videos like webinars, tutorials, or podcasts offer in-depth insights just like this one, helping to educate the audience and build authority within the industry. Additionally, storytelling videos, testimonials, and behind-the-scenes glimpses can create a personal connection with viewers, enhancing brand trust. Sure, I would say try to mixing short fun videos with helpful tutorials or customer stories even. This keeps your audience engaged and show your brand's personality.
What role does podcasting play in video marketing?
In my opinion, podcasting plays a significant role in video marketing by offering a platform for thought leadership and in-depth discussions on topics relevant to the audience. When podcasts are recorded in a video format, they gain an additional layer of engagement, making them highly shareable on platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn even. The visual element allows for a stronger connection with viewers. By combining audio storytelling with visual content, businesses can reach broader audience and reinforce their brand's authenticity and expertise. Totally agree. Short form videos are perfect for leveraging trends. It can really boost your reach and engagement. It's make your content more discoverable too.
How can businesses effectively use short videos in their strategy?
I think the short videos under 60 seconds are incredibly effective for social media strategies, offering quick digestible content that capture attention instantly. Use them to showcase a product features, share valuable tips, announce an event, or even provide a behind-the-scenes glimpse into your business. Their concise format makes them perfect for busy audience. Leveraging eye-catching visual, trending sounds, or snappy captions can further amplify your impact. ensuring your message is both memorable and shareable across the platform. I would like to add here, short form videos are also a great way to tap into trending topics. By jumping on popular challenges or incorporating trending audio clips, you can significantly expand your reach and boost engagement. These trends help your content become more discoverable, and I think you already covered the rest of the things.
Is video marketing budget-friendly for small businesses?
Well, absolutely. Video marketing is accessible even for small businesses. You don't need a massive budget to get started. At Vision5 Studio, we offer affordable video production services, including everything from scripting to editing, ensuring you get quality content that fits your budget. With the right approach, small businesses can create impact videos without breaking the bank. Oh, by the way, thanks for the promo plug. Just a quick ad. Video marketing does not need to break the bank. Focus on your content that vibes with your audience and tap into affordable tools or platforms to make it shine.
How does video marketing improve SEO?
Video content plays a crucial role in improving search engine optimization by increasing the amount of time visitors spend on your website. The longer they stay, the more search engines recognize your content as valuable. Additionally, platforms like YouTube, which are the second largest search engines in the world, helps drive organic traffic to your website, improving your visibility and ranking. Incorporating videos into your website not only helps boost your user engagement, but also improves your SEO performance. Videos attract more visitors, reduce bounce rates, and encouraging social sharing. And also, optimizing videos content with keywords like a title and a description also enhance its discoverability on platforms like a Google or YouTube.
What are the best practices for creating engaging video content?
To create engaging video content, start by defining your objective. Whether it's for your brand awareness, lead generation, or customer education, having a clear goal is the key. Keep the video short and visually appealing to hold viewers' attention. Don't forget to include a strong call to action that directs viewers on what to do next. I think for the maximum engagement, make sure your video delivers value to your audience right from the start, with a strong CTA that encourage viewers to take the next step, whether it's following your page, your website, or making a purchase even.
How can businesses repurpose video content?
Repurposing video content is an effective strategy. Let me give an example. A full-length podcast episode can be broken down into smaller, engaging clips, perfect for social media posts. Similarly, webinar footage can be transformed into the educational snips or even used as a training material for your team. This maximizes the value of your content and reaches audience across the multiple platforms. You can also take highlights, reels from the longer event or videos, extract those key moments and turn them into a short bit-sized clips that are perfect for any Instagram post, TikTok, or YouTube short even.
What's the future of video marketing in 2025?
In 2025, video marketing will see a major shift towards AI-driven personalization and interactivity. Imagine videos tailored specifically for individual viewers, showcasing dynamic product demos or personalized ads. Interacting videos that allow users to choose their journey or explore products in a more immersive way will become the norm, enhancing your user experience and engagement. Another big trend will be the rise of augmented reality and virtual reality in video marketing. Expect businesses to create more immersive experience where customer can virtually try any product or walk through digital space, all from the comfort of their own home. This will elevate your brand's connect with their audience in 2025 and beyond. beyond. Video marketing is an essential tool for business in year 2025 for sure. Whether it's a captivating short videos, inside podcast, or highly content creation. Investing in a video helps brand not only to connect with their audience but also drive growth and build a strong relationship. It's the future of digital marketing. Absolutely. While starting small is perfectly valid, the strategic advantage of video marketing is too significant to overlook. The time to act is now. Make sure your business is part of the conversation and growth in the year 2025.